Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Makeup Monday. So if you guys have never seen me before, my name is Whitney Wuzor and I'm a beauty, fashion and lifestyle YouTuber based off in Goa, but I'm currently living in Bombay. So finding that one perfect nude to suit your skin tone is really hard. And funny enough, quite a few of you actually asked me to tell you guys what are my personal favorite nudes that I like to rock. You guys know that I love a bright eye with a very nude lip. So in this video, I thought that I would sit down and show you guys 5 of my favorite drugstore nude lipsticks. So before we get into the video, I just want to mention 2 products that are essential for your nude lipstick. So the first one is a brown lip liner. Now, a brown lip liner is really good to tone on that lipstick that is probably too light for your skin. So the brown lip liner that I essentially like to use is a chocolate shade. Now the chocolate shade is sort of darker than my skin tone and it also helps me to blend in my nudes properly. So girl, before you make your next lipstick purchase, make sure that you're not leaving without a brown lip liner, because a brown lip liner and a nude lipstick are best friends. Okay, don't you forget that. Now the second product mentioned is something that you don't essentially need, but is something that does look really cute, and that is a lip balm. So the lip balm that I've really been liking is the Himalaya Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. Now they actually do have various varieties like strawberry, and the strawberry lip balm really looks good on your pink tone nudes. It just makes everything look so juicy, so fresh, and yeah. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump straight into the video. So the first lipstick on my list is the Maybelline Lipstick in the shade Nude Embrace. Now this is a lipstick that is best suited for brown, dusky, deep skin tones. It looks amazing on Indian skin, on African skin, on any skin that has a lot of melanin in it. It just looks amazing. Now this lipstick is priced at 300 rupees and it does have 4.2 grams of product inside. Now what I like about this lipstick is that it is creamy AF, if I must say so myself. This lipstick is very buttery, very creamy. It gives you the matte but also not so matte kind of feel. It's more like a velvet matte, and this lipstick just works amazingly well. Now if you are of the deeper skin tones, I do highly recommend you slap on a liner before you apply this lipstick, otherwise this lipstick is kind of gonna wash you out. So that's just a little tip that I like to throw in there. Next on my list is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bare It All. Now this is a beautiful light peachy nude shade. It's best suited yet again for us melanin girls, and it looks really nice. Now the consistency is very creamy but not as creamy as compared to the Maybelline lipstick. The Wet n Wild lipstick is priced at 295 rupees and it does have 3.3 grams of product inside. Now since it does have a touch of pink, this lipstick can be worn with a lip liner or by itself. It depends on your overall makeup look. However, I always like to go in with a lip liner just to enhance that color and just make it blend with my overall makeup. So that's just another tip that I would like to throw again. Next on my list is the Nykaa Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bombay. Now this is very ironic because I actually live in Bombay right now. I'm there, I'm pursuing my MBA. For those of you who know me, you guys know that already. So I fell in love with this lipstick last year. This lipstick has been my ride or die. Now what I like about this lipstick is that it does have a nude pink sort of peachy tone. It's not the same tone as the previous Wet n Wild lipstick, but it does have, its own uniqueness. Now usually matte lipsticks tends to dry out your lips, but however this lipstick is super lightweight. But then the magic of it all is that it somehow has a lot of pigment to it. Now this lipstick is a lipstick that I would like to pair it with a lip liner. You guys know me, I like my nudes to be blended in. I don't want anything to wash out my lips. So lip liners are highly essential. Now this lipstick is priced at $5.50 and it does have 4.2 ml of product inside. Moving on to the next one. Is yet again a Nykaa lipstick in the shade Helen. So this is one of Nykaa's newest releases before the Masaba collection. Now this lipstick is a very pink tone nude. It does have its own uniqueness to it. But one thing I noticed with this lipstick is that it can dry out your lips since it is a matte lipstick. Now if you exfoliate and moisturize your lips regularly, then this lipstick won't be a problem for you. But if you've got dry, chapped lips, then this lipstick is going to show up on your skin. So if you do have dry and chapped lips, I do highly recommend that you get yourself a lip moisturizer or a lip balm. Anything is fine, it doesn't have to be super expensive. A very simple thing could be Vaseline. Vaseline works well. So I highly recommend that before you slap on this lipstick onto your lips, you do apply some sort of lip balm at least 30 minutes to an hour before you apply this lipstick. Now, last and not least is actually one of my very oldest purchases. And I must say, it's one of my first nudes that I ever purchased in my life. And I purchased this product like about 2.5 years ago, and I've used it a lot, a freaking lot. And it's just served me, and I think right now I'm actually running out of it. Probably should restock, but yeah. I mean, paying 600 rupees, using it for 2.5 years, yo, that is investment, okay? That is the investment we're talking about. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you found a nude shade for your type of skin tone through my video. Now I would really love it if you guys could go down in the comment section below and comment down below what is your favorite nude lipstick, the shade and the brand, okay? Because I know a lot of people are on a hunt for nude lipsticks, and maybe these lipsticks may not suit some of you, and maybe the lipstick that you comment down below may suit somebody else. So let's help each other out here, okay? So I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? Support your girl by subscribing and turning that bell notification like so. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.